there. Where is it? Over here.
What?
But there's nothing inside.
Right, speak to this one.
Right? Nothing in.
A sleeve that makes it look like a coin with like ridges, right?
Yeah.
Okay, why can't you do that? Like we don't even know where to put the snow anymore. Okay, this is before. This is the progress at the cost of my parents' backyard. Oh my god.
Guys, we just did this and it's already filling up again.
Days never finished. Master got me working.
There's your dad in the back.
It's already buried. It's too late. This is my least favorite part because you have to shovel everything up slowly to bring it out here. I'm gonna jump in this so bad. Like, okay, maybe, yeah.
Stairs are sort of done.
Guys, I just want to show you, that's a fucking, okay, sorry, I need to stop passing. Guys, that's a train.
That all looks tall. So cozy.
I'm really comfy here.
Big chillin'.
Yeah.
Oh my god, guys, Sophia just had the craziest idea. I thought you were gonna do what? How was that?
I was trying to cannonball.
It didn't. Oh, I'll do it. Wait, give me. Wait, give me.
My face is so Go, hurry up, my hands are freezing.
How was that?
Just wanted to show my cute little jumpsuit Mitch got me for my birthday. So cute. We're gonna go to Walmart and get dinner. And of course, there's more snow. Oh my god, we might be stuck. This might be a horrible idea. We're stuck. Stuck in snow right now.
Yeah, she told me to park here and
if I hadn't told him, he would have been driving around trying to find somewhere to park forever.
well, at least we wouldn't be stuck. We'd be moving around. Oh my god, you look so good.
Get to look at. Guys, I can feel myself swaying. I'm scared.
Having fun? We're in the city life. Oh yeah, I think we're here.
That's not Brad Pitt. He looks sick.
That looks good.
What the hell are you doing?
It's hard.
Oh my god.
What is I just act like me.
Okay.
Don't say that.
Fine, we found Frankenstein. Oh, there's a cage.
Yeah, someone's gonna stick
Can you hold my shoulders, please?
Oh, it's so hard. Oh my god!
It's still there.
Oh my fucking god! No!
I just run.
Pineapple, hey, can you hear us? Say the word pineapple.
Please.
I don't like this anymore.
Oh, I hate this. Come on.
Each player from this. You'll be fine.
Just try. I just want you to try and then maybe you like it.
I put a tiny bit on the crack up. You're so dramatic. That's not that bad. I think you're just tasting the cracker though. Yeah. Because it's flavored.
Always put that motherfucking lip gloss on.
I want to go home now.
Which means they'll be saving space the next time their fancier friends are.
Said, yeah, this is the person that killed me. This is the point where you can go into your Korea.
We went to IKEA for breakfast and it's what time?
9:55.
They don't open until 10. We just walked up to that freaking door. Yummy. Sausage one or the bacon one? No! I got medallions and toasties.
I get it.
Oh, we missed them. Oh, baby, it's okay.